What digital product can I create to start making money from my knowledge, from my experiences, from my results, from my skills? This is one of the questions I get a lot. People ask me, Coach Gostime, what can I create as a digital product? Because I am confused. Should I create an ebook? Should I create a course? Should I start a coaching program? I don't know which one to start. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the 5 digital products you can sell and make 300k passive income monthly with zero capital in 2023. So whether you're watching this in 2022 or 2023, whatever time of the year in 2022 or 2023 you're watching this video, then this video is going to guide you on how to sell different digital products and make money from your knowledge, experiences, or your passion. All right, let's get into this video. Now, before we get into this video, if this is your first time of joining my YouTube channel, thank you so much. Kindly hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and also give this video a thumbs up. Like this video. And if you have been watching my videos and you are a returning subscriber, kindly put in the comment section that you're a returning subscriber. Thank you so much for always watching my videos and always engaging on my videos. For those who have been dropping comments saying that they have been getting value, thank you so much. So every time you watch my videos, kindly put in the comment section what you got from the video, what you learned from the video. All right, now before I get right into this video, I have a special masterclass called the Purpose Clarity Masterclass, which will guide you on how to discover your purpose, how to fulfill your purpose, and how to make money from your purpose. So if you're living a life that you have not fulfilled, you're not living a life of meaning, you're not living a life of impact, you want to impact lives, you want to get paid for your impact, then this masterclass is for you. All right, let's get into the video. Now, what are the 5 digital products you can sell? First one is online challenges. Now, this is aimed to help the participants take action on a specific area and get results. Online challenges, one of the reasons why I love online challenges, because this is one of the things I do to generate income. Why I love it is because it makes the participant not to take so much time to get results. It makes the participant not to take so much time to take action. The goal of online challenges is to take action. That's the goal, because a lot of people struggle to take action, right? So online challenges helps them to take that action. So it can be an online challenge on weight loss, it can be an online challenge on growing your hair, it can be an online challenge on losing weight, it can be an online challenge on starting your fashion business in 30 days. So it can be an online challenge on anything. So it's not limited to just books or courses, because I have an online challenge which I call 7 days launch your online course challenge, for those who they know that they can create an online course, but they are afraid to launch that course, or they are procrastinating, they are lazy to take action to create the online course and start making money from their online course. So I created that challenge for those set of people. Then I have the 30 days launch your book challenge for those who are procrastinating, lazy to write their book and launch their book, those who are afraid that will anybody buy my book. So that challenge is for you, right? So you can create an online challenge. So it can be on your results, especially your result, because people don't want to just take action, they want to get results. It's not just about taking action. What if I take action and I don't get results, right? So you want to create an online challenge to help people take action and get results. So look at your life right now. What is that particular thing that you took action and got result in, that others also desire to take action and get results, right? So find that particular thing, then build an online challenge around it, launch it, and start making money from it. All right, then the second one is how to guides. Now this is simply a guide on how to either learn a skill, learn a knowledge, or achieve a specific result. Now it can be an ebook, right? It can be an ebook guide on how to start a China importation business and make your first $1,000. It can be a guide on how to get clients on Instagram as a coach, right? So it can be a guide on how to achieve a particular result, on how to learn a particular skill, on how to get a particular knowledge, on how to get a particular secret, on how to get a particular strategy. So depending on what you want it to be, but the focus of this is how to get something, how to achieve something, how to learn something. So it can be how to learn a website design skill in 30 days or something, but it's just about how to achieve something, how to learn a skill, how to get a knowledge. So it can be a how to ebook guide on how to get something, how to even start something, because there are people who want to start a business, but they want to start a specific business, but they don't know how to go about it. So your guide will now help them to know how to do this, right? For instance, maybe for people who don't know how to write a book, right, you can say how to write a book in 7 days, in 14 days, in 30 days, depending, how to create an online course, right? So there are different ways you can go about this, but identify what you can teach people on how they can achieve that result, or how they can learn that skill, how they can get that knowledge, right? Then number 3 is video bundles. Video bundles. Now this is a combination of video courses that seeks to help the buyers to learn more on a subject matter. So for an example can be a video bundle on graphics design. Videos, the combination of videos can be videos on how they can design flyers, logos with Canva using Pixel Lab. Then it can be how to get your first $1,000 on Upwork and so on. But the goal is that you are combining videos for the buyers of that course, or of the video bundle, to learn a specific subject matter or to get a specific knowledge, but you are bringing videos together, right? So it can be a graphic design video bundle on different aspects of graphic design. It can be branding, can be product design. So just combine those videos together and sell. So you cannot, I'm just using this as an example for graphic design. It can be fashion design business, video on how to structure your fashion design business, video on how to get clients on Instagram, video on how to create your agreements, contract, video on how to get endorsements from brands as a fashion design business owner. But you get what I'm trying to say now, that you are bringing videos together for a specific subject matter and you sell those video bundles. So the reason why it's called bundle is because you are combining videos together and sell. So if you're watching this video in 2022 and you're getting close to Christmas, you're getting close to the Black Friday, right? This video was recorded in October 27th October, right? So if you're watching this video 27th October, or maybe you're watching this video in November, then you should take advantage of the Black Friday. So create video bundles and sell. You can also take advantage of the Christmas period. You can take advantage of the New Year. You can take advantage of Easter. You can take advantage of any of the big events of the year. You can put together video bundles and give it as on a discount, on a discounted price, and you make your money. For instance, because I'm sure you'll be asking, how do I get this 300k? So let's say you put the videos together, the video bundles together, and you sell it for 3,000 naira, for instance. Instead of selling for 10,000 or 20,000, you sell it for 3,000. 100 people pay for the video courses or the video bundles, you get 300,000 naira. So how do you get these 100 people? Of course, you have to learn how to sell on social media. Now I have a video on how you can sell your digital products, 5 guaranteed ways to sell your digital product. So I'm going to put a link above this video so you can get access to that video to learn how to sell your digital products, 5 guaranteed ways to sell your digital product. All right, let's move ahead. Now if you're getting value from this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and do not forget to also share this video. Drop a comment in the comment section telling me how you've been getting value from this video. All right, the next one is checklists. Checklist. Now this is simply a list of secrets strategies or hacks that can help your buyers. For instance, you can create a checklist on 15 websites to get high paying writing jobs. It's a checklist, so you just list certain things that can help them, right? So it can be 15 websites to get high paying writing jobs. It can be 90 social media content ideas for fashion designers. It can be 15 ways to get Upwork clients, right? But the goal is that you're listing certain things that can help the buyer to get results in a specific area or to learn a specific thing, right? It can even be about 15 websites to get ghostwriting jobs, 15 websites to get graphic design jobs. So it's just about listing certain things, and of course you're listing those things in the area you have knowledge, in the area you have experience, in the area you have results, right? So that's simply it. And you can use Canva to design this. You can use your Google Docs to put the list together, then you go to Canva and design, and you're good to go. All right, the last one I'll talk about is online workshop. Now this is for you if you know something that others do not know, or you have a result that others do not have. You can create an online workshop to teach them and get them to achieve that specific result. Okay, so for instance, I have an online workshop which I call the Digital Product Millionaires Workshop, where in 5 days I show you how you can create a digital product and make a millionaire from that digital product. Right now, of course, I'm not telling you that in 5 days you make 1 millionaire. No, of course, in the 5 days workshop I'm going to teach you how you can achieve that result. Plus you also get to enter into a challenge which I call the 1 millionaire in 30 days challenge. So after the 5 days workshop, then you will join other participants who will be challenged in 30 days to sell their digital products. Either they don't have one, which in 5 days they will learn how to create one, or they already have one but they are struggling to sell it. So they will be guided on how to properly put their digital product in order so that it can generate sales of a millionaire in 30 days, right? So this is my own workshop. Now you can have your own workshop. It can be maybe you have been able to achieve results in the area of fashion design. You can create an online workshop for fashion design business owners on how they can get clients. Maybe you can call it Getting Clients on Social Media Workshop for Fashion Designers, or it can be for graphic designers, or it can be for writers. You can call it the Profitable Writers Workshop. You know, I love coming up with amazing names, right? Because how you title your digital product is also important. We'll talk about that in another video. Okay, so these are the different digital products you can create and make money from, whether in 2022, 2023, or any time of the year. You can make money from any of these digital products. Of course, you can't sell everything at once. Pick one, create and run with it. Pick one, create and run with it. So if you have gotten value from this, then thank you so much for watching, and do well to subscribe, share this video, give this video a thumbs up, drop in the comment section what you have learned from this video, and let me know what digital product you want to create. So do you want to create an online workshop? Do you want to create a checklist? Do you want to create video bundles? Do you want to create how-to guides? Or you want to create online challenges, right? So any of them, go ahead and create. And if you want a one-on-one coaching, or you want a detailed coaching on any of the digital products, how to create them, how to go about selling them, then I'll put a link in the comment section and in the description, where you get access to my coaching program, and you get access to me one-on-one, where I'll guide you on how to go about creating any of these digital products and making money from them. All right, so I'll see you in the next video, where I'll share something more exciting and amazing with you. Do not forget to share this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Bye for now.